Hello and welcome back to the Peej's workshop. I made some space here for a structure that I'm going to make. Took some measurements, sketched up an idea, and got to it. That's right, using the old soda box method. Get a lot of miles out of these Pepsi boxes, tell you what. So I'm just gonna take my measurements, draw it onto the board, cardboard, cardstock, Pepsi box, whatever. And get to it. There's all the sides cut out, A, B, C, and D, just to keep track of them. And then I drew on the paper what the exterior will look like, and I like it. It's going to be like a corner store. I also figured out a method to do brick a lot quicker than do it by hand, and that's to do a rubbing, which I will demonstrate now. Simply take the side of a building that is a brick building, put the paper on it, get your colored pencil, and rub away. This is just a quick demo, but it looks really good. You zoom in there and yeah, you can see the pattern of the brick, and you're not spending God knows how long hand drawing it. Now I've glued the paper onto the soda box sides, and just, yeah, real good job. Looks good. And just make sure everything looks like it fits, and it sort of does. It's looking pretty good. Took a little shortcut by drawing on the window sills instead of doing it piece by piece with colored paper. But the frames there, I've put that in. So I did on all the windows. That one needed it. I'm gonna take a little break and run some trains. The bottom floor is gonna be John's Comics. It's in memory of my friend John, my oldest friend, best friend, brother, who sadly passed away in 2017. Love you, dude. And then I put some glaze in there. Some of it's clear plastic, some of it's actual clear packing tape. It's hard to tell which is which. And fooled around there with some window shades, which I'll do in a couple of windows. Now it's time for a glue up. Get this structure standing upright. And there it is. So far, so good. It's coming along nicely. Now it's time to do the side framing. Detail up those corners, make them look fancy. And simply get a strip of paper, using a color pencil, colored it to the color I wanted. Cut out a little strip and then fold it in half to fit around the corner. I didn't do one strip at a time because that's tedious and fiddly, and this gets the same results anyway. It gets the point across, which is very much how I like to model. Does it get the point across? Good. There we go. So do 4 of those and glue them to the corners. And there you have it. There it shall reside. It's a nice location actually for a comic shop across the street from a school. At the end of a neighborhood where there's a bunch of kids. The roof, I just got a piece of cardboard, spray painted flat back, and made a little chimney there. Just glued that on, and it works. Sooner or later I'll be doing an interior to this, but not right now. I'm a bit modeled out as it's for the time being. But there it is, John's Comics. John lives upstairs. It's a nice digs. It's a nice shop. Bring your kids. Well, that's all for me for now. Thanks for watching. See ya!